Write a letter to the landlord for repairs. Katra Neil, Delhi. Date: to Shri. Name: Dear Sir, this is to inform you that the house I live in is in need of repairs. It has not been whitewashed for the last 3 years. The roofs of the rooms leak in the rainy season. During summers, the storm brings dust inside. During winters, the cold wind enters the rooms. The window panes are also broken. The latrine is not working properly. I request you to get the repairs done at an early date. It will not only improve the durability of your house but also give a fresh look to it. Thanking you, yours truly. Name: